Homemade chocolate pudding. Take one. This is just up Billy's aisle. He'll like this one. So start off, we're doing a half a cup of granulated sugar. Third a cup of just plain cocoa, unsweetened cocoa. And 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Put all that in there. And then we're just going to whisk that all together, get it all mixed up. Guys, have you ever seen all the ingredients that's on a pudding box? A lot. And Billy loves chocolate pudding, even though he's not eating cookies or anything like that. But I think we'll get him to taste this. We're not going to get him to talk because, you know, he's just standing there looking at me like, oh, what are you doing?
I don't know what to say.
All right, so we're going to turn this on, maybe.
You're the talker in the house.
All right, we're going to turn that on medium. And then we're going to pour in 2 cups of just plain milk. I've got whole milk. You use what you want. So we're just going to stir that all up. And you don't want to leave it for too long. You can stir it up and walk away for about a minute or so, but you don't want to burn it. So we're just going to keep stirring this. Get all that chocolate mixed into that milk. Because you know how it separates there. Once it starts heating up, we'll be good to go. So we're going to get this going, and we'll be right back. Can you see it bubbling? All right, guys, we are bubbling up a storm here, and we're getting thick. We'll let this heat up just a few seconds more. We don't want to burn it.
Looks like pudding.
Yeah, because that'll thicken up more after it cools. So I'm going to take that off of there. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla. I think this will be right up Billy's alley.
I think you're right.
He's a chocolate pudding person.
And you could even make a chocolate pie with that.
Yeah. I'm sure. And those chocolate fried pies.
Mm-hmm. I think you ought to do them.
Yeah.
Tell her, guys, to make chocolate fried pies.
Yeah. I wouldn't have to taste them. I don't know what they taste like. Oh, I might like this though because it's made out of Hershey's.
Yeah.
The cocoa instead of the unchocolate, really. All right. So I'll rinse this off. So here's what we got. Like I said, you know that'll get thicker after it cools off. Let's see if we can pour some in these little jars. I don't know how good I'm going to do. But we're going to try it.
Looks like it's working.
No, I spilled it on the side, but... Okay.
Maybe a dipper?
You'll probably lick that off anyway.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm the only one eating them, so.
Put you some whipped cream on there.
Oh, yeah, gotta have that.
These jars are 5 ounces that I'm using. So we're going to get 4 of them out of this.
And where'd you get those jars?
Your brother. He was eating the, yogurt that comes in the glass jars. And I said, hey, save me those. And you can buy lids to fit them. So we're reusing those. And they're glass. That's perfect. Yeah, so there is 4 of them. And then he's got a taste test right here to go to, too.
To two.
To.
Easy for you to say.
Not really. An update on me, guys. I had to make an appointment this morning for my doctor so I could get something for my sciatica because my knee is not really bending as much, and the therapists say it could be because of the sciatica. It's pulling everything, and I know when I stand up, it's like, it just feels like a rubber band just stretching. And we've been going to the gym, trying to work it out. It's not working. So I'm going to have to resort to going to the doctor.
And she's having trouble riding in the car.
Oh, I can't ride.
Or sitting straight up. We haven't even been to church in 5 weeks because she can't sit in the chair.
It's hard for me, and like to go to a grocery store, and we're only like a quarter mile from it. Sitting in the car, it's like, I can't do it. So I was like, I'm going to have to drive or go 15 miles to go to the doctor. Oh, I'm dreading that, but maybe I'll have some relief afterwards. So
hopefully. Yeah.
And we got to do that 12-hour show this weekend.
Yeah.
So that's why I was like, I got to do something.
I don't know if you're going to be able to do it.
I'm going to have to do something. We're doing a wrestling event. I don't know if you guys have heard, but we're going to be there all day from 10 to 10 at minimum. So we'll see. So I had to make an appointment to get me some relief, hopefully.
Hopefully it works because she's been in terrible pain. Yeah. She can't hardly sleep.
Standing is better than sitting. So I don't mind the standing, but
you can only do that so long though.
Yeah. All right, you want to come around here and just taste out of the pan?
I can.
Or you want to make it look professional?
Yeah, let's pause it and make it look professional.
All right, guys. Billy has not been on film for a while. He's boycotting me, I guess. But here we go. He's tasting the pudding.
Wow.
I asked him if he wanted whipped cream, and he said no. I just want to taste it to see exactly how that tastes.
That's way better than that stuff we've been buying in the store. That's really good.
He likes the ones that's in the plastic containers like that. But I was like, well, let's try to make it homemade.
Well, because the others got
too many ingredients in it.
Yeah.
And this has
the fewer ingredients, the better the food's going to be for you.
And it has 6 ingredients, I think. So
it's really good.
I think
I'm going to eat it all.
I think he's going to eat that bowl. There's not much in that bowl. So I said, you just want one little taste? He said, no, I want it all.
Wow, that's good.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and hype. You guys been doing great. We got some good cheerleaders on here, too. So we appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have any questions or anything, leave them below, and I will leave the ingredients in the description box. So peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.
Guys, look, I caught him licking the bowl. We was going to end it, but I was like, oh no, he's licking that bowl. We're going to get him in there.